Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is video 4 of the series where we are discussing important questions for the board examination. Here the first question is, give the full form of CT and MRI. Remember, CT and MRI are the diagnostic tools for detecting cancer. So CT stands for computed tomography, whereas MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. Another thing which you need to know here is how are they different from each other. So CT uses X-rays that helps in generating the 3D images of the internal organs. This you have to learn because this is defining what is CT scan. Whereas MRI, it works on strong magnetic fields and non-ionizing radiations that helps in detecting pathological and physiological changes if there is any in the living tissue, right? Both are used for cancer detection. So here it is asking 3 parts, part number 1, then 2 and then 3. Please read each question well and answer accordingly, right? So CT works upon the X-rays, whereas magnetic fields are being used for MRIs. MRI is always a better way of detecting the cancer and CT is one level down. Next question is, give 2 microbes that are useful in biotechnology. So in biotechnology, we read about Bt cotton, thus we will include Bt in our answer, Bacillus thuringiensis, and this bacterium was used for making cotton plant a natural insecticide. Another bacteria which was talked about throughout in chapter number 11 was E. coli, and this bacteria has been used majorly in the transformation experiment, so we would be writing this name as well. Next question is, name 2 industrially important enzymes. So industrially important enzymes, you can give the example of lipases, pectinases and proteases, which are used for clearing the fruit juices, right? So lipases are used in the detergent formulations because they are helpful in removing the oily stains from the laundry, whereas pectinases and proteases are used as the clarifying agents because they help in making the juice clear. Next question is, name 1 immunosuppressive agent. So we have read this, it is cyclosporin A, which is being prepared from the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Next question is asking us to name any rod-shaped virus. So tobacco mosaic virus falls in this category, right? This was the first plant virus to be discovered. This question may be merged by another question because 1 marker questions will not come this time. So might be 2 questions will get merged. That's why I have taken this for you. What is the group of bacteria found in both the rumen of the cattle and the sludge of the sewage treatment? These are methanogens because they fall in the category of anaerobic digestion. The last process that was done in the sewage treatment was anaerobic sludge digestion that used the methanogens, right? So both of them are helpful in producing the biogas also. So sewage treatment also will lead to biogas production, whereas cattle excreta can also be used for biogas production. Last question is, which type of food would have lactic acid bacteria? This question is from chapter 10 only, and lactic acid bacteria is being rich in the curd and the yogurt. Now, how curd is prepared, we already know that the milk is lukewarmed and then a spoonful of curd which acts as an inoculum or a starter is added to the milk, and over a period of 5 to 6 hours in static conditions, milk transforms to curd. Now, it is always better to have curd because it is half digested. Already the milk is being coagulated, only the partial digestion is being required. So the people who are lactose tolerant, which cannot digest the lactose present in the milk, they are being suggested to take the curd because curd is half digested, and moreover the nutritional value of curd is high because it has high amount of vitamin B12 also. So disease causing microbes are being checked by lactobacillus, and that way curd is quite beneficial. Stay connected for more questions and don't forget to share my videos with your friends. Thank you.